name is Danielle, and today we are going to check out some trending hair transformations. So first up, we have someone going from long to short. She does end up getting a lob with this one, as well as some color. Gorgeous haircut. This is quite a nice length because she does have still a lot of hair to play around with, and it frames her face beautifully. So next up, we see a bob transformation. So the stylist does cut the hair into a nice bob, giving her bangs as well. Nice classic bob with the fresh bangs in the front. Absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have another bob transformation. This stylist does a lot of bobs, and I think this whole video is going to be bob related. So if you are into that type of haircut, you will definitely enjoy the rest of this video. So she is going to be cutting the hair into more of an angled bob with this one. Beautiful. She has a nice slight wave as well. Off center part. Beautiful. So next up, another bob. So it looks like this one is going to come to about neck length. This is more of a cascading bob that she has in the back there with the layers, and more of an angled side swept bang in the front. Gorgeous shape. And then we see someone with naturally curly hair getting a bob cut. So it looks like this one is one same length all the way around. She does end up getting highlights as well. Well, this is really pretty. It looks like her natural wavy texture is coming out well. She did curl it. Beautiful. I think the highlights are gorgeous. And then heading into another bob transformation. So she starts off with very long hair. Her hair is very thick as well. So she does end up getting a little bit of color, a little bit of highlights. Beautiful. I actually like her top as well. The floral top is gorgeous. And then this one looks like it might be more of an angled bob. Let's see. So the client's hair is actually a tad bit more on the thinner side, which is nice to see a variety. So she does end up getting a middle part. And the way that she cut the hair and the angle made the hair appear fuller, thicker. Beautiful. So it looks like she's getting a lob, a longer bob. And this one does have an off-center part, gorgeous. The hair is longer in the front, it comes past the shoulders. creating a lot of edginess and still leaving room to play around with for styling. And it looks like she did another lob with this one. And she's also adding in highlights as well. Gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so if you enjoyed bobs, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you in the next one.